Many times by default the Google Drive backup is taken only when file is connected through the Wi-Fi network. So basically settings, and in settings you go to system. So here you will find that the backup is on, but use Wi-Fi only. So when you have to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and then only you can it takes the backup. So by chance, if you are not if you are not connecting to Wi-Fi at all, then your data may not get backed up to Google Drive. So you ensure that either you connect to a Wi-Fi network and back up your data, or then you set this as no, so that it will back up your data through your mobile network. Another option is to, if you're, and then you can take the backup. Okay, this is very important because in case you lose your phone, or the motherboard of the mobile phone gets damaged, so you may not be able to recover the data in case you don't have a backup. So this is very important. Thanks for watching this video.